Hey guys, Zena here. Sorry it's been a while for a video, haven't really had any ideas. So, first off, let's get started. I am going to attempt to install Linux Mint KDE. I have made all the necessary preparations and I'm about to back up my Project 64 files to here because I like playing Paper Mario and I've almost beat the game and there's no way I'm going to pass up the chance to not beat it. Yep, so what I'm gonna do first is back up my Paper Mario files, and then I'm gonna delete the partition which had Linux Mint regular edition on it, and then install KDE on it. I think I know how to do it now, so hopefully it works. I'll make another video when I am installing it. Alright, see you later. Alright guys, moment of truth. So, here we go. Here I'm putting in the Linux Mint KDE DVD. Hold on one sec. Gotta lift up my laptop because it's being blocked by my robe. And my cat's in the way too, so that's making things even harder. There we go. Okay, and now reveiw is set. And I do realize that the grub is gone, so that is why I have downloaded and burnt Super Grub, which is a program, or should I say it's a bootloader, that you can use from a CD, or you can mount onto your hard drive. It really comes in handy if you're in situations where you can't get back into Windows with Fedora. Yep. Okay, so here we go. Booting into Linux Mint KDE edition. Reason why I'm using KDE is that, you know, it's KDE. It's something new. It's still Linux Mint. And actually, I tested it out using the live CD. It's pretty damn good, and it seems kind of fast. But I know it's on a CD, but yeah, this has potential. So yep, it takes a minute to load, so I'm going to pause the video and watch some TV. Alright, so it's booting up Linux Mint KDE. As you can see, there's a KDE type window, and you'll know when it's done when it's got all, I think, 5 icons. The hard drive, the internet, the tools, the desktop screen. I realized that my screen's flickering. That's because of the camera, and it's actually pretty normal. And then there's the Linux Mint KDE logo. It's a gear with Linux Mint. Alright, so here's the actual desktop screen. Let me tilt the screen a little bit more so you guys can see it. There we go. Yeah, it looks almost like Linux Mint regular edition, except for the fact that it's KDE. As you see down here, it's got the normal KDE bar, and if I click this little icon down here, it's like a start menu. And it's loading because of the live CD. Yeah. Hold on one sec. Don't you hate it when you get shit in your fingernails? Alright, there we go. As you see, it's kind of like, it's like, you know, it's like the start menu. And I guess that's the Linux Mint boot up sound. Alright, so, yeah, it's like I said, it's like the start menu. It's got everything listed under, you know, it's under its own separate categories. It's like the GNOME menu mixed with the start menu, because down here, here's all your shutdown, recently used, computer, buttons, and applications. And down here is all your other notifications, sound, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, clock, all that stuff. And you can add another one on the top by clicking new activity. Yep, so let's get this started. Hopefully I don't fuck anything up. That's why I had my VIA recovery disk and everything backed up to a hard drive. Okay, let's get this started. Skadoosh. And it's loading. And there's a kitty. Kitty. Okay, here we go. Welcome to the installation terminal. I'm not going to get out my tripod because I'm sitting on my bed. That would be a waste. Oh wait, you know what? I never connected to the internet. Just quit the installation. Get me back to there. Wi-Fi. Network cable interfaces are not unplugged. Bullshit. There we go. Now, if you excuse me. Ah, stupid fucker. There. I typed in Linux accidentally. That's not the password. I'm thinking of something else. Okay, should be connecting to Wi. There we go. Connected to Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to do the shit. Okay, there we go. Nah. Oof, sleepy seeds. Nah. Hopefully to God I do not fuck this up. Loading, loading, loading. Everybody likes loading, loading. There we go. This is not what we want. What we do want, let's see, where is it? We do not want it to take up the entire disk, so we're going to have to go under manual. Or back, forward. Here, let me figure this out here. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, I think I got it, guys. I basically went into the manual partition menu. Oh, first off, what I did was go into Linux Mint's partitioning menu. I did a couple of things. I got a healthy 120 something gigabytes. And then I went into the manual partition menu. And I think I got everything correct. And hopefully by the end of the day, I did not fuck anything up. Hopefully. God's sake. Okay, first off, United States, Chicago. Next. Yes, it is 157. Keyboard layout, QWERTY. Username. I always go with Xana. Password. Liquidity. What? Oh, there we go. Okay. Don't you hate it when things don't frickin' do automatically number lock for you? Alright, now it's still installing. Hopefully, to God's sake, I got this. You know, let's see. I haven't told you guys, but I am actually, here, let me show you. I recently got accepted into a college, and that college is Morrison Institute of Technology, located in Morrison, Illinois, where I will be studying network administration. Yep, so on April 18th, I will be going to a little banquet they have, and I will officially be signed up as a freshman and choose my roommate. And what I'm also going to be doing there is installing Kubuntu on my hard drive. They do recommend, VirtualBox, but I'd rather do it using my hard drive. They do operating system classes, network administration classes, and a lot of other classes that have to do with OSs and crap like that. It sounds like fun to me because, you know, I've never actually had any school in my life actually focus on operating systems such as Linux. So this is going to be a fun ride. And I will come back when this is almost done. I'll see you later. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm installing the system. It's at 64% and I'm playing Skyrim. So yeah, I will come back when it's almost completely installed. Alright, system's finished installing. Now I have to restart, and hopefully it didn't fuck anything up, and hopefully I can get back into Windows. So any day now it should be restarting. Takes like a million years. Restart, damn it. God damn it. Well, I'll be back. Alright, I'm at the part where it says remove the disk and press enter for the installation. Let's press enter and see what happens. Shutting down. Completely shut down. Turning on. Maybe there's a grub. Which there is. Fucking awesome. I did it correctly. Hell yeah. Ha! This is the first time I've ever actually installed something without that stupid simple installer, which means I can now install Kubuntu, Xubuntu, and all those other Ubuntus and whatnot without fucking anything up, which is pretty damn cool. I'm hungry. I think I'll go to Mongolian Grill tonight. Here we go. Username and password. I don't know why it doesn't remember my username, but oh well. My username's kind of right there, except without that part. That part's the model on my computer. Okay, username. Me. Password. Enter. And it should let me in. Yay, it let me in. It's loading shit. Nom nom. Face rape. Loading. I like the loading. Oh, I like the loading. Yay! Alright, everything's set, everything's good, everything's snazzy. I'll see you guys later. I need to now install shit and put shit on my hard drive.